how to unpause devices on the Eero app. So go ahead and log into your account if that is the case, and just go ahead inside the Eero app, go ahead into the devices over here, and just choose the devices you want to resume. If you want to find them and you have a lot of options, you can go ahead and filter them out. So you could put the status as offline or paused or unpaused or resumed kind of status. You can set the filters over here so you'll only be able to see the devices that are paused. So once you're done with filters, you can go ahead and choose the device. Let's say it's going to look something like this, where you can pause and resume. So if you want to unpause, you just go ahead and press on resume device. So once you're done with choosing the filter, just go ahead and choose the device you want to unpause, and it's going to look like this. There's these other random options. Just go ahead and press on resume device, which is technically the unpause button, since if you go ahead and press on resume, it's going to show this, which is pause device, which is basically just the opposite, obviously. So that's pretty much it. You go ahead into devices, go to whatever device, you can filter it out, and just press on the private device options, the device options, and press on resume. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.